Hey now, I'm going to go ahead and jump into the last question in our HMH online assignment for today in case you need any help with that. And I'm going to jump off into our word problem here. An elevator is ascending at a constant rate, also known as slope. The height of the elevator from the ground over time is given by y equals 4x, where x represents the amount of time passed and y represents the height of the elevator. So this y equals 4x, this is going to be important when we want to come down here and fill in our table. Really, we're just going to be multiplying our x input here by 4 as our equation up here, x is right next to 4, suggesting multiplication. So 0 times 4 is 0, 1 times 4 is 4, 3 times 4 is 12, and 4 times 4 is 16. And I don't think we needed to use this. Maybe if you needed a calculator, I guess. All right, so far so good. And now we need to plot these points. So going back to our table, we had our input and our output, our x and our y values. So we see it's going to start at 0, 0, then 1, 4. Let's see if we can plot some points here. Point 0, 0, 1, 4. Can I plot one here? There we go. And the other one's 3, 12. 3, 12, and I think the last one was 4, 16. All right, and I'm not sure if they want us to draw a line here or not. I think it just said plot the points, but let's see if what it actually said. Graph the height, and yeah, I don't think we needed it. Oh, yes, use the line tool, connect the points if appropriate. So we see that we did graph a continuous line here, and our slope looks like 4 over 1. Every time goes up or over 1 minute, the elevator is going up 4 feet, I believe. And let's check that out. All right, nice. And our last one, we have a drop down, or there's two more. Should the graph be discrete or continuous? We already talked about that. That's continuously going up at the same rate. And that is easily seen by that straight line. Let's check that out. Bingo. And our last one, look at the point on the graph 1, 4. Describe what the point represents. So going over to our graph here, it also tells us on the bottom what those numbers mean in case we're kind of unaware. We didn't maybe read the whole word problem at the top. Here we have 1 represents time and it's seconds. So the 1 is going to represent at 1 second, the elevator is 4 feet above the ground or has went up 4 feet or has changed 4 feet. So let's say 1 after 1 second, the elevator is at a height of 4 feet. And oh, there we go. Let's check that out. All right, nice. And then go ahead and submit that for your full credit for today. Thank you guys for tuning in. We'll catch you next time.